reggae vibes. The evil cover just looks like an awning. That if it wasn't for you, my people, it would never been possible. It's not an easy road. Never see the gamma. I can the better road. I said, who's easy road? Oh, the last time you give away the people. Oh, my kids, first Spanish to know. Young men, ladies. Woman, I am so much of a man. So we spend time enough in the club to the so you don't want your damn friends to your time. Do it again. And I'm a man who will start on. You know you're such a hope in your goal. This is dance time. No more cold, no we're fine. Now no more cold. Long the man, I see a blind.
vibe is like incredible.
Plantation Cove, you think it's a good venue?
Yeah, I think it's a good venue. I mean, it's a little chilly, but it's a good venue. It's big, it's spacious. People can come and hold. People can find parking. I mean, there were a lot of cars outside, so.
Definitely a lot of cars in the parking lot and a lot of people inside too.
Yes, definitely.
Tell us about what you're wearing today.
Okay, so today I am wearing this little dolly dress by stylist called Champagne. She's the one who styled me today. So, you want me to do a spin for you?